Hello everyone! The New Year's Eve in the Netherlands is really lively this year. Since the 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, everyone is really obsessed with fireworks. Guess the sales of fireworks in Netherlands this year? 11.4 million euros! That's 12.2 million US dollar. Oh my god. My mom said the fireworks directly boost the GDP. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's make steamed dates cake today. See the upper left corner for the ingredients. Beat eggs and add sugar. Add flour and baking powder. Stir well. Remember to zigzag gently when mixing. If stirring too much, you might get a texture of gluten. Then the cake will not be fluffy. Then add the milk. At last, add the melted butter. This is how the texture looks after mixing. Next, put the batter into a piping bag or use a small spoon. Use the tools you desire, whatever you feel convenient with. Fill each mold 3/4 full. Now prepare some dates. Sprinkle a little bit on each cake. Boil the water and steam for 18 minutes. Huh? What the? I can't stop laughing. I'm afraid I have some misunderstanding of paper cups. Stupid me taking paper cups to steam. Well, I decided to use silicone molds immediately. This time it shouldn't become a triangle. First, let's appreciate the triangular steamed dates cake. What an unexpected shape, but the cake tastes very delicious. It's also nice and soft. The cake and the silicone mold are also done. Little fatty chubby boys. Get it together and take a family photo. Oh yeah, I put the last remaining 4 cakes in the oven. I want to compare the final results. Preheat the oven to 160 Celsius and bake for 12 minutes. Let's see the difference between steamed and baked cakes. The color of the steamed cake is obviously much lighter. I personally prefer steamed cakes because it tastes more refreshing and soft. The sweetness of dates penetrates into the cake. Hey, I can eat one after one. Try it out if you like it. See you guys next time. Bye!